Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the CleverMade collapsible laundry baskets. I've had these for several years now, and let me show you how they work. So now I'm going to show you the collapsible function here for the laundry basket. It's very cool and very easy. So if I wanted to kind of collapse this down and make this a smaller, much more easy to carry hamper, or if I wanted to just simply store it away when I'm not using it, I could push in on this side and bring it down, as you can see here. And the same thing can happen on this side. I would just simply come over, push it in, and collapse it right down. And now I can easily pick it up. I can grab it, I could store it in a closet, and it's just so much more easy to manage. And then if you wanted to use it again like a traditional hamper, you're ready to fill it and put clothes in it like this one, all you would have to do is come back here and come back here on this side. And then you would just simply grab the handles and you're ready to go. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.